If you're seeing the Steam invalid platform error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common reasons this happens and show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue usually means one of two things. Either the game is not supported on your current operating system, or Steam's download cache is corrupted. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, let's get into it. First, let's start with the easiest fix, which is clearing Steam's download cache. Open Steam and go to the top left corner, then click Steam and choose Settings. In the Settings menu, select Downloads. Here you'll find the option to clear download cache. Click it, confirm the prompt, and let Steam restart. This can fix temporary download issues that may be causing the invalid platform message. Next, you should verify the integrity of your game files. Sometimes the game installation is incomplete, missing files, or damaged, and Steam may incorrectly show a platform error because of that. To do this, open your Steam library. Right-click the game giving you the error and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace any broken or missing files automatically. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes. If the issue is still there, try running Steam as an administrator. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. You can do this by right-clicking the Steam icon in the system tray and choosing Exit. Then right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions and can fix issues related to access, updates, or launching games properly. Another important thing to check is whether the game actually supports your operating system. Some games are designed only for Windows, while others may have limited support on macOS or Linux. If you're trying to run a Windows-only game on Linux or macOS, Steam may show the invalid platform error because the game simply isn't compatible. Always check the game's store page and system requirements to confirm support before troubleshooting further. Now let's talk about a very important issue in 2026, 32-bit versus 64-bit compatibility. Steam has officially dropped support for almost all 32-bit operating systems, which means if you're running a legacy 32-bit version of Windows, Steam may flag modern games as invalid platform. To check your system type, open your Windows settings and go to System, then About. Look for System Type. If it says 32-bit operating system, you'll need to upgrade to a 64-bit version of Windows in order to run modern Steam games properly. This is a major cause of the error for older PCs. If none of those steps work, try restarting your computer. A simple reboot can refresh Steam, reset background processes, and clear temporary conflicts. If the game still fails to launch after that, uninstalling and reinstalling the affected game can help rebuild the installation from scratch. In some cases, a fresh install is the fastest way to eliminate stubborn corrupted files or configuration problems. So to quickly recap, clear Steam's download cache, verify your game files, run Steam as administrator, check the game's operating system compatibility, confirm you're using 64-bit Windows if needed, and finally restart or reinstall if necessary. One of these steps usually solves the invalid platform error. If this video helped you fix the problem, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Steam troubleshooting guides, PC gaming fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.